Hi viewers, welcome to my YT channel. So in today's video we will teach you how to create a backlink for your YouTube channel if you own a website. So you can promote your YouTube channel in that way. So today is our WordPress for Beginners series part number 5. So if you are new at our channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell notification button for more latest updates. So now we are on our website. So here we want to link insert in our existing post. So here we go for social media categories. We selected it. So we want to insert our YouTube channel backlink in this second post. How to get more Instagram, we just clicked on it. So here you can see this is the post. We want to insert our post in this. We want to insert our backlink in this post. We want to insert our backlink at the end, at this point, add one post. So we just go to WordPress dashboard of our website, click on post, then click on all posts. So you will redirect at this page. So scroll down here, click on all categories, then click on social media, then click on apply button from left side. Just wait a second, then you will redirect at this page. Scroll down and from here you just click on how to get. Here click on edit button. You can see here first edit button from left side. So you will be redirected at this page. From here the post has been edited. This is the edit area of any post. Just scroll down at the end point. So this is the end admin post. We just erase this word, just want to erase. Here we want to add our backlink. Just click from your keyboard the greater than sign, greater than, then double greater than, then again greater than and less than. So just go to your YouTube channel and copy of the URL of your YouTube channel. So here I just double click on your URL, copy, then go to this page and just click here a space href. This is the simple code for backlink. Click is equal to equal sign, then double semicolon, then paste your link which you have copied previously from your YouTube, then click slash at the end, then again double dot. So in the next here after the less than, you can edit any your anchor text. You can add here which you want, which word you want to show on the backlink. So I just want to add here, please visit our YouTube channel. So my backlink will be shown on this word on the post. So here just copy this link. Here you can add another word, a slash, and the next just copy it, click on text cut, and then click enter button, then paste this link here, and then click on visual. So you can see there the backlink has been created. So just select it, then change the color of the text. So easily you can approach on this link and bold it, then scroll down and here you can see the publish button. or update button, just click on update, because this is a link insertion, not a new post. If it new, the post has been updated. Just you can see here admin post. We want to refresh this page. Refresh. We refreshed. Please visit our YouTube channel. So you can see here, you can see this link. Just click on it. You will be redirected at your YouTube channel. Just wait. So you can see this is our channel, which link we have been pasted. So this is our channel. So you can also promote your YouTube channel in this way. So if you are new at our channel, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell notification button. So see you in next